Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a house puppet. Let's start drawing. I start from the bottom. Then I draw the roof. And the chimney. Excellent! Now let's divide the hole with lines like this. Finally, let's draw small circles in all the lanes. Fantastic! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. To color, I'm going to use the rainbow colors. I start with the color red here, like this. Oops! Then I use orange. Yellow. Then light green. Dark green. Light blue. A little dark blue. Purple. And pink. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.